Reading together is a wonderful way to grow a child's literacy skills and to create lasting memories together. Read Together, Grow Together gives easy-to-follow tips any parent, grandparent, or caregiver can use with their children to help grow their skills and confidence. Rhyming is when two or more words have the same ending sound, like dog and frog, or bed and red. Rhyming words can have endings that are spelled the same, cat, hat, or spelled differently, share, bear. Rhyming is a fun and important way for children to develop their language skills.
Star, R-I, sky. Lot of rhymes are here.
You can practice rhyming with books. As you read, point to the words that rhyme, pausing to make comments about the words that rhyme, or asking your child questions.
You say bear and rare?
Bear.
And rare?
Reading together often is one of the best ways to grow alphabet knowledge. But you can practice with your child anywhere, anytime, by identifying and discussing objects in your everyday environment that rhyme.
Blocks and socks. Both are rhymes. Wow.
Or reciting a favorite nursery rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Our simplest tip is to read together often, have fun, and build lasting memories.